Oh, look.
And now I present to you.
Thing.
And now I present JT beating up Kyle.
Yep. Make sure you hand that to me when I'm asking for it. 'Cause he's going to die. Oh, fuck me. I'll get you, Kyle. It's okay. Hey, Gage, can I open your side? Just to beat him?
Just crawl in.
Sure.
Make sure the
Back door shuts
close
first.
the back door, yeah.
Hey, Kyle. You're dead now. Oh, shit. Give me a second.
Yay. Me and my daddy are hanging out together.
Sharp, pointy objects. Sharp, pointy objects.
Yeah, you brushed me real good, daddy. I'm a baby boy. Yeah, daddy.
Lick it. Lick it.
Tastes good, daddy.
Swallow it.
Thank you, daddy.
If you could shut that door, Gage, I got him back here.
JT.
Gage.
And Matt and his friend Roland are on the Outlander right now. While JT and I are staying warm and they're freezing their asses off.
And yet we still have the fucking windows down.
Hey, that's what rednecks are for, man.
Yeah, but we're not that warm.
Hey, I have it, the heat set to 85.
Make it blow out the vents, not the defroster.
Well, the defrost, I have it blowing through the feet.
Oh, well, fuck the feet. Where the fuck they go? Damn, they disappear like a motherfucker.
There, you want it on the face?
Yeah, I'd like for at least a minute. My face is cold. What are they gonna switch it back?
Well, we killed Kyle.
Yeah, I beat the shit out of Kyle with the snow brush.
Well, turn the front light on so they can see you. The back light's gonna
Oh, sure.
send that one. This one here. There you go.
I'm so used to mine being right there.
Oh, underneath the mirror.
Yeah, I'm so used to that.
Put your seatbelt on so this thing shuts
Oh,
up.
damn.
And if we die too.
I don't care if I die.
You never care if you die.
Dude, I'm always ready to die. Dude, I literally would die if I had to.
Rolling sledding, JT's here. You can do this to save battery.
I mean, this is pretty warm.
Hey, Gage,
Hey, what?
can I tell you what I feel like?
What do you feel like?
The kid from the Christmas store that can't put his arms down.
Put that tight jacket on.
Hey, you know what's funny? I feel like a biker.
You're a biker, bitch.
Flip it on just like that. Okay? Move the strap. There you go. You don't have to buckle it in, but I know I'm trying to get my scars
I
off.
wish my trunk would open.
Why? Oh, because you got your coat in there?
I got my big car hard in there.
Cover your mouth. Pull those down. There you go. All right.
Cool. You're all set now.
Now you can pull your stars off. Okay. I just don't want snow all over my ass, like face.
Oh, you're going stomach now, huh?
Oh, that was fine. You ready? Do it.
Yeah. Go get him, partner. That's awesome. All good?
Oh shit.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hey, there's a lunar eclipse tonight
That's good.
at 11 o'clock. It looks like we're going to get a perfect view. We're talking about the lunar eclipse tonight on the moon. Can't believe we landed a man on the moon over there. No, not yet. Woo! Oh, fuck. He went like this. Fuck yeah. Oh, fuck. That's awesome.
Alright. Got a new idea.
All right, let's go. I'm scared.
I am too. You're the one in the fucking truck, I'm not.
Oh, shit.
Good. I think it's a good idea we got the helmet.
Right.
Man. What the fuck do I look like, a gay white guy?
Yeah, a medic.
Oh, fuck you.
You're our medic.
Okay.
I'm just a supply truck.
Hey, I'm the dude from Donkey Kong.
There you go.
Look at the game.
Ready?
No. I just watched the ride.
Oh! I knew that was gonna happen.
I didn't get to hit the corner.
He's gonna come straight in. The good thing he's got the helmet. That was a great idea.
You good? Yeah, I think that's the last one.
Go warm up in the truck.
I'm not cold. I'm just out of breath.
Please don't be the safe one.
Just move around.
I got my
Yeah, you'll be the safe one. I've only face planted 3 times.
More than that.
Easy wrapping it. Remember that. Gotta hold on for dear life. Yeah, we're holding on.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, here we go.
Let's go stay put because that was almost kind of funny.
That was funny.
You just looked up and I'm like,
Oh shit. Oh.
He wanted an epic.
Are you... Medic. Medic.
I'm the gay medic.
I'm gonna like not swing you and you to have fun now. What do you want me to do? I want to go fast. Fast? Yeah. Okay. Fast one. Make sure he doesn't die.
I'm scared.
Let's go.
Well, JT's the medic.
You're never sleeping, man.
All right, rolling jump attempt. There's a little ramp right there, so jump attempt. Part 1. This is gonna be hard. You gotta get it exactly right. A little bit. You went a little bit.
He hit the corner.
Medics.
Wait, where's the hill?
Right there.
Oh, all right. You did a little bit.
Here he goes, guys.
He keeps going sideways.
Rolling in that 2019. Roll, stop driving. Oh my God, he's gonna die.
Oh, that is so cool. He's like drifting on, gliding on the side. How's it going? Woo!
What's up, boys? Probably.
Go ahead if you want.
Go grab it.
Okay.
Hey, Roland, how was your like 15th wipeout?
Do patty cake again.
It fell to the ground.
This is gay. Patty cake.
Okay. Patty cake. Hey, there's me.
Get another cake.
Oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone.
Oh no, his head came off. Oh no.
Bumper cars.
Okay, so bumper car.
Dude, we just bounce off JT and go straight up. Bumper car.
Here, let's see if it works.
What?
Bumper car.
No, do it him.
I am
Go ahead. Permission granted.
trying to put my thumb back into my weird hand. Hey, guys.
Hey, what's up? Is that even the right way?
No, it's not even the right.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching that video. It was a great, fantastic night. It's still very cold out. And right now, as I'm filming this, we are getting a lunar eclipse. Don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, that is a red moon. We are getting a total lunar eclipse right now, which is kind of freaking fantastic. Man, it looks so much better in person, but yeah, if you guys haven't seen this, man, this is fantastic. This is my very first lunar eclipse I've ever seen. Imagine being on that airplane right there looking at this eclipse. Wow. But all right, I'm probably going to go inside now. Enjoy the lunar eclipse, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll talk to you soon.
Dude, let her breathe.